Big Rig Rex has got a great question. He says, my company is an LLC and I'm a one-man show. Early next year, I'm thinking about going on a 5-month backpacking trip. Wow. Can I turn off my drug testing consortium enrollment for myself and keep my MC active?
What if they hit him up when he's, 500 miles in the jungle of Thailand or something?
That's a good point, but he asked about he wants to keep his MC active, and if we're doing that, then you got to do that. I would notify them. Call your consortium and say, listen, I'm going, I'm out of here for 5 months. What do I need to do? Especially with that new clearinghouse, they're going to know. TPA in there, third-party administrator, and if you shut them off, you're no longer in compliance. Ping you for a random and you're not, if you don't answer, that'll be considered a refusal. Yet at the same time, if you drop out, you're no longer in compliance. Here's what I would do. Leave your company on the consortium, call your consortium and delist yourself as a driver.